This
I don't know. He split on me. Do you have Sagar banana?
high plants.
Yeah, jack the fruit.
And you can see because of these flowers, some nice butterflies, dragon. Hello everyone, Jai Johar, Jai Adivasi. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mumbaikar Adivasi Vlogs. Today we are going to take you into our world, our farm in our economy, the green heart of Mumbai. This is not just a land, but it is a life, it is a culture, and it is a way of saying thank you to our loving Mother Earth. So guys, this is our field. Here, every plant we grow, it is like our family member. You know, it breathes with us, it grows with us, and it gives strength to face tomorrow. So guys, let me show you how many plants I have in my farm and what are those. So guys, this is the first mango plant which I have planted in my farm.
So Sagar, how many varieties are there in your farm?
Yeah, if I tell you the varieties, I have 6 varieties of mango plants in my
Okay.
farm. If I tell you those, there is Hapus, Langda, Kesar, Rajapuri, Barmasi, Dasheri and Totapuri. So we have 6 varieties of mango plants. So guys, I have shown you the first plant. Now the other plant, Aniket is going to show us.
So guys, let's go to our next plant. So this is our second plant, Chiku, sweet and simple and boring, just like our life. Let me show you the other one. Look at this. This is the Langda mango.
What does the Langda mean, Aniket?
I don't know. I didn't study that much. So what we got here? What is this, Sagar?
This is rose apple, you know.
Rose apple.
But where are the rose?
Rose where? I didn't see any rose in there, Sagar. What the fuck, Sagar?
What is this?
I don't know. He split on me. Who
He
is?
spit on you.
Look at this, Sagar.
Maybe he doesn't like you.
My hand is very dirty, Sagar.
Yeah.
What
I think
is this plant? I don't like the behavior about this plant, Sagar. Sagar, here, look what I find here.
What is this, Aniket?
It's curry leaves,
Okay, this is a medicinal plant.
medicinal, and we use for cooking.
See, Aniket, there is a rose plant also.
Yeah, I see. And rose apple are together.
Yeah, rose and rose apple together, they are doing something maybe.
Yeah, that's why they spit on me.
Oh, Aniket, see, there is lemongrass.
Where? I love the fragrance
Yeah.
of this plant. Sweet's very good and eatable also. And my mouth will be even sweeter when I talk.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है
So guys, this is Rajapuri mango. It is Barmasi mango also.
Okay, good.
And we have big banana also.
Oh, banana leaves.
Yeah. Do you have Sagar banana?
I have.
ये क्या बात करता है यार
Aniket, where we are going? This is lemon plant.
Yeah.
Nice. Aniket, how is it taste?
It's sweet, sometimes sour, but it's good for health.
Yeah,
For
good.
me.
Yeah.
I don't know about others.
So Aniket, do you have lemons?
Yeah, I have 2 of them. This one, what I find,
Okay, what is this?
it's the cherry mango Sagar.
Okay, the sherry.
Yeah.
You have done maybe pruning here,
Yeah.
so more branches has come up.
Yeah, yeah.
Aniket, what should we do now? How many plants are there? More.
It's few of them. Let me show you. And we have security also.
Oh my God, Z plus security. Who is this?
Kalu.
Kalu, and
This
who is she?
is our champa.
Champa, how are you? Good. Let's go. Again, Hapus. Aniket, see, this is Hapus.
Yeah, I don't know, but I like very much.
Yeah, the taste, you know.
Look, Sagar.
Oh my God, Aniket, what is this?
This is our
Favorite plant?
jack the fruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing, Aniket.
I like it very much because it's very big, It was very
Nice taste.
nice taste. Yeah.
Yeah. Plant is also amazing. You know, many branches has come up. Condition of this plant is really amazing, and it is looking absolutely gorgeous. Aniket, what did you get?
Look, I get a star.
What do you mean by star?
Star plant.
I thought star is there on the sky.
You are extremely wrong, Sagar.
Star is here. If you want to become a star, you should plant a star, Aniket.
Yeah.
And see, there is chiku as well.
Hey, I didn't see that.
Let's go, let's go. We have lack of time, Aniket.
Yeah.
Champa, let's go. So, Aniket, what is next?
What is next? See, from there.
Yeah, this is papaya.
Papaya.
Long papayas.
Yeah. Long, round shape, but it's very sweet.
Yeah, sweet in taste. So, Aniket, I want to tell you something.
What is it, Sagar?
You know, in our farm, we have planted different kinds of trees.
Yes.
We have planted medicinal fruits, flowers, and herbs as well.
Yeah. I know.
And each one has its own story, Aniket.
Yeah.
You know, some heal us when we are sick. Some fill our stomach with fruits
Yeah. Absolutely right.
and spread fragrances in the air.
Yes.
And you know, some silently give us oxygen without asking anything in return. So how is it great, na Aniket?
Yeah. We live in a paradise, Sagar. In our culture, Sagar, we love the trees. We care about them. You know, and I don't understand why people cutting trees.
So guys, we have come in Aniket's farm. Aniket, what is this?
Neem tree, Sagar.
Neem tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is called Indian lilac. No, that is a medicinal plant. And what is this, Aniket?
It's miracle leaf, Sagar.
It's
used
different and unique.
Yeah, it's used for kidney stones.
Kidney stone.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know that. What is next, Aniket?
We have very gold, Sagar.
Okay, you are gold.
Yeah.
You have Aniket gold?
Yeah. Look here.
Oh my god.
The tree is fallen, Sagar.
Oh my god, it has
Last
fallen
night.
from last night.
Yeah.
So Aniket, what is next? It is a holy plant.
Holy plant.
And yeah, we can say wood apple. Correct. It is medicinal plant.
You can say that it's fruit,
Yeah.
size fruit.
Like a coconut. It hards from outside but smooth in inside.
Yes.
Like you and me.
Let's go to the next part.
Yeah. See Aniket, you know what is this?
Turmeric plant, I guess.
Yes, it is. Aniket, you have planted so many medicinal plants in your farm. Huh?
Yeah.
You are quite smart.
That's why I'm healthy.
Yes, you are quite healthy. You have planted basil plant as well. Awesome, Aniket.
I have quite a lot of this plant. We have this tree also.
What is this called? This is moringa plant.
Moringa plant. Drumstick.
Yeah,
Moringa.
drumstick.
It's very healthy. It's very tasty.
Oh my god. You know what is this? This is hibiscus plant.
Hibiscus plant.
Nice flowers. So guys, see. This is a coconut tree.
I have also wild almond tree.
Almond tree, guys.
Yeah.
Nice, big one.
And we have also
Cashew plant.
two plants.
Very famous
Yeah.
and very costly as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Aniket.
Yeah.
What is this?
Big banana.
You
Said
Awesome.
earlier you don't want to give me banana, but you know what? I have.
You are hiding your banana.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का, ये अश्लील है ये लोना।
You know, Aniket, you should cut it from here and you can make vegetables from this.
Yeah. My mom will do that.
Running.
Around, I guess, in this field,
Maybe 20,
20 or 19.
yeah, 19 or 20 plants are there.
Yeah.
And those are medicinal and fruits, both are mixed. And you can see, because of these flowers, some nice butterflies, dragonflies are around us, you know. I think this is, wow. It's looking awesome, you know, Aniket.
Yeah.
And we are in RA, heart of Mumbai. So if you are living in Mumbai and you are getting this kind of paradise, so it's absolutely gorgeous and amazing, Aniket. You know, many people die for this, but they don't get it
Yeah. Why?
because we have that, and we will share them.
They can enjoy by watching this video.
Yeah,
Also,
correct.
you can just subscribe to our channel and you can enjoy our tradition and culture and our nature also.
Absolutely right,
And
Aniket.
what we are doing right now. And we are
Correct.
going to do something very special in future. So guys,
Stay with us
yeah,
and enjoy with us.
yeah.
So guys, we have come in our other field.
So we have flower tree,
This is called Son Safa,
golden champa
Golden Champa in English.
in English.
So Aniket, what is next?
What is next? We have the cherry plant.
Okay.
I will bake the cake and come here and grab the cherry and put it.
Yeah, fresh cherry, Aniket.
Fresh cherry.
It's amazing. Aniket, what is this?
It's Peru.
Peru means what is in English?
I don't know.
Guava, Aniket.
Wow.
This is the flower plant which we have.
Look, Sagar. Here, aloe vera.
Yes, guys. See again, this is a medicinal plant, aloe vera.
Aloe vera. You can just mix it, put it in your face.
Yeah, and rub it, and you will become a. Girls will become beautiful, and boys
Will become.
handsome.
And what will we become?
We will become good.
बात तो सही है
Aniket, what is this? This is amla.
I never seen amla tree.
But now you have got the chance, so you just see and enjoy it. Aniket,
Yeah.
I would like to tell you something.
What?
Aniket, as Adivasis of RA,
Yeah.
we proud to protect this land, our culture, and our tradition.
And Sagar, first,
Why, Aniket?
because newly projects are coming to our RA, destroying our beautiful forest.
Yeah, Aniket, absolutely right. I also feel that one day this greenery, this beauty, the soul of RA might vanish, Aniket.
Yeah.
It hurts me as well. Yeah.
What can we do, Sagar?
We are powerless.
Yeah.
What is in our hand to save our nature? Just grow trees, plant more trees. Aniket, I would like to give a message to everyone. A single tree can make many differences in our life. A single tree can give food, shade, oxygen,
Yes.
wood, and many more things in our life. If a person on this earth planted a single plant in their lifetime, how our world will become.
Yes, Sagar, you are absolutely right. We don't need to do big things, Sagar, to save nature. Even planting a small plant and caring with love is enough to bring happiness.
So guys, this was our second video, and again in this video we might have made few mistakes here and there. If you find those mistakes, do let us know in the comment section. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. It's really motivates us to do better.
Motivates us, guys.